Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today's video wasn't planned in the slightest. We came down for a last minute trip to Weston-super-Mare and we found out there was a classic American car show on, and me being a big fan of American cars, I had to go. And yeah, we're going to let the cars do the talking for this video, so there's not going to be a great deal of talking except for one of the facts which I'll now share with you on my first clip. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully there'll be plenty more classic American car videos coming in the summer. We are debating whether to head to Gravity tomorrow. If not, you'll definitely see Viking views there. Jordan has sent out a very good spoiler, which is making me want to go even more. But yeah, nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you all next time. A very nice Mustang here, love the 666 on the number plate. But here we have a Camaro, which is very slammed, very close to the floor. Now, an interesting fact that one of the owners have told me about one of these cars is in the States they're called a Camaro SS, as per the previous model Camaro SS. When they're shipped over to Europe, the SS badge is actually removed. So what we have here is a Camaro. It's the same model as Bumblebee, and it does look very aggressive, especially with the Chevrolet badge removed on the front, all murdered out, slammed to the floor. It looks very nice, very aggressive, very nice presence to it.